everyone, welcome to Sweet Pea Stitch Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to do the crochet raspberry stitch. This is going to be a simple 2-row repeat, and pretty much all we're going to do is single crochets and front post single crochets, alternating between the two. And the stitch is has some texture to it, so it would be great for maybe a blanket, a washcloth, a dishcloth, something that's kind of durable but not too stretchy and will last for years and years to come. So the multiple for the stitch is going to be even chain stitches. Now once you get to actually working on the pattern, you will have an odd number, so that even that first chain stitch is going to count as a chain 1, and then you will go ahead and single crochet in each of these stitches to where you will have an even number of stitches. So for the first row repeat, we are going to start off with a chain 1 and go ahead and turn your work. We are going to single crochet into that very first stitch, and then we are going to go around the next post and make a front post single crochet, and then making sure that you are not working behind that stitch, but you'll go into the next stitch and place a single crochet. And that is going to be the repeat for row number 1. So again, go around the next post and make a front post double crochet or front post single crochet, and then go to the next stitch, making sure you're not working behind that post stitch, but go to the next stitch and make a single crochet. So go ahead and continue repeating that until you get to the very last stitch, and you should leave off with a single crochet. I have came to my very last stitch, and I'm just going to place a single crochet, and that was the first row repeat. For the second row repeat, we are going to go ahead and chain 1 again, turn your work, and go ahead and single crochet into the very first 2 stitches, and then around the next post we are going to place a front post single crochet. Go to the next stitch, again making sure you're not crocheting back behind that post, but go to the next stitch and place a single crochet. And that is what we're going to do until we get to the very last 2 stitches. So again, around the next post, do a front post single crochet, and then go to the next stitch and place a single crochet. And once you have gotten to the last 2 stitches, we are going to place a single crochet in those last 2 stitches. So that is it for the crochet or raspberry stitch. You'll just continue repeating those 2 rows until your desired length. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or subscribe if you would like to see more of this content. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.